we go. We're going to start out with the 260. We're going to blow it up with our handy dandy balloon below our upper. Again, almost all the way. And we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make a loop, but we're only going to make a loop that's about so big. All right. Now, I'm holding the nozzle. And what we're doing is we're just, instead of making a bubble, we're using the nozzle to create our knot. And remember, it's important to keep the knot on the outside of your twist. And then we're going to tuck that knot in so that it can't come out. And we've created a little loop. Now, at the base of our loop, we're going to make a fold twist like we used on our 3-twist dog. And we're going to twist it right there. And we're going to make one more fold twist. And twist it like that. We're going to settle it all up so it all sits in nice and straight. And we have a loop on a wand. Now, we're going to go to the top and we're going to make a smaller version of our heart right there. And we have a very simple heart wand that is very popular with the kids, but we're going to spice it up with something special. It's a little secret. It's a 6-inch heart, but we're not telling the kids. These hearts come special. They come in all different colors. My personal favorite is red. When you reach into your bag, pull out your heart like that, and it looks like a regular round balloon. And you tell the kids, wait, you see this? Blow it up partially, and you have a little round balloon. Sure looks a lot like my nose. And place your finger right in the middle. Fully inflate the balloon and expose the heart. Kids, it's magic. They love it. We're going to put the knot in the bottom of our heart, just like we normally do, and we have a beautiful 6-inch heart that, hey, doesn't it look like it would fit someplace perfect? We're going to cross it right over that little joint, twist it around like that, and set them in ever so nicely in our heart line. A very, very popular balloon. But if this, for some reason, doesn't catch their attention, the coup de grace is on its way. We're going to get another balloon. You remember the teddy bear, don't you? The popular little teddy bear. We're going to pull them out one more time and put them to work. I sure hope this guy's not union. Jeez. We got the bear head. And we're going to twist him around here. Just like we put him on our large heart, we're going to put him on that post that is the wand. Irresistible, gang. Easily, as I mentioned, the most popular design I've ever come up with. The kids do go crazy over it.